Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SLURF token. Now earlier today we went over the, the original SLURF token. Name of that one and the ticker symbol was SLERF, and that token was very popular, got listed on a bunch of different central exchanges. Right now, the original SLURF token is trending number 3 on DEX tools. Still very popular today. Right now, that token is up 1,969%. But now, we have the knockoff token where they just make it even more of a meme. And they do this with everything. If you've been following this channel, you'll see Tesla becomes Tesla and Nvidia becomes Nvidia, or however you pronounce it. And now SLURF becomes SLURF. I don't know. But this new SLURF token with the U right now is trending number 8 and is up 41,562% in the past 2 hours. So this token is going crazy. All these Solana meme tokens these days go absolutely bananas. And this is another one, and we're going to go over the SLURF token with a U in just 1 second. And if you haven't seen my other video on the original SLURF token, I'll link it at the end of this video so you guys can check that out. But yeah, we're going to go over this new token here and the info on it and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, even on Twitter right now, SLERF is trending, and in Canada it says with 313,000 tweets. So a lot of people talking about this original SLURF token. And so now we have SLURF with a U. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there. At SLURF, spelled with a U, on Sol. And then we have their Telegram is right there as well. SLURF on Sol on Telegram. And then their webpage is right there as well. SLURFonsol.com. They just joined Twitter March 2024, 11 tweets so far, 201 followers. So just 21 minutes ago, they tweeted out, "Don't talk about prize, talk about meme." Smile, taking a pic. So, anyways, this is all it's all in the meme talk or whatever. I'm not going to go over all these crazy tweets, but if you want to see some funny memes and all that type of stuff, you can scroll through their memes on their Twitter there. They got lots of updates. So basically, in their very first tweet there, 2 hours ago, they just went live. So it says SLURF is live and has the contract address on their Twitter. I'm sure you'll be able to find it on their webpage there as well, and probably their Telegram. But basically, if you wanted to get this token, how you would get it is first you need a Phantom wallet or a Solflare wallet, any wallet that would hold Solana tokens. You'd fund that wallet with Sol, and then go into the dApps, and you would find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for the SLURF token using the contract address that you can find in their first tweet or on their webpage there. You can also find this token on SolScan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, etc. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but hopefully it'll say. And this token also could be available soon on Jupiter or Orca, and maybe even some centralized exchanges in the future. So their Telegram has 323 subscribers, Slurf on Soul, and you could preview the channel. It's a great place to see updates as well about this token here. So their pool, I'm just looking at Dex Screener, and it says their pool was created 3 hours, 3 minutes ago. So this is not a very old token at all. And I am going to try to get this video up pretty quickly so you guys can still see this token while it is fresh and new and trending. So hit that like button just for that. You know what I'm saying? Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. Holy, this token is trending. I just opened Dex Tools. This token's trending #1 on Dex Tools right now. These SLURF tokens. So I'm going to try to get this video up pretty quickly, actually. So you guys can check out SLURF with a U. Oh, and now it jumped to #5 that quick. And Book of Meme is back at #1. So it went from 1 to 5 really quickly. But this token is up like 42,000% right now. And it's just going all, now it's down to 36,000 and then back up to 40,000. It's just all over the place. So their market cap for this token right now, $447,620. Liquidity is $53.47 thousand in Raydium. They have 1,750 holders so far. That's really good for a token that just came out 3 hours ago. 24-hour trading volume, $3.32 million. Total supply, 999.94 million tokens, and that is also the circulating supply. Total market cap, yeah, we went over that. So they have 132.48 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 55.23 million pooled SLURF. Now, they have an 89.5% community trust score on Dex Tools. They have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security. And it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. So besides that, their webpage, SLURF on Soul, you can find their socials on there, contract address. It says, about the SLURF. SLURF lives in the Amazon rainforest, going on a slow and steady trip to the moon, getting an epic win, making other critters want to do big stuff with patience and grind, and he is a slothy boy. Get SLURF or die trying. This kind of looks like a webpage of another token that I just reviewed. I can't remember what now that was doing very well. I'll have to think about that. But yeah, so that whoever made this token made another token that I saw, and both of those tokens were doing very well. It says LP burned, mint revoked. They started with a 1 billion total supply and no taxes. So if you are going to buy or sell this token, you don't have to worry about slippage too much. It says, ready to rule with SLURF. Be part of our journey where every move counts and every player leads with SLURF. It's not a game, it's a SLURF legacy. Check it all out. Let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this new SLURF token? What do you guys think about the original SLURF token? Check that video out. I'm going to try to remember to link it right here. If I don't, just go check it out on my channel. I just uploaded it recently. But yeah, let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens, what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.